Welcome. This is Usawa Suite. Usawa Suite is an all-in-one business management platform built specifically for Nigerian businesses. If you have been struggling in Nigeria using multiple platforms to manage your accounting, your payroll, POS, and CRM, only to spend a lot of hours also reconciling the data between these platforms, Usawa Suite is for you. In this video, I will show you how Usawa Suite can save you time, can keep you compliant, and give you a 360 view of your business. Now, let me show you around Usawa. So first, let's log in into Usawa. So when you log in Usawa, you are faced with a dashboard. The dashboard will show you everything you need to know about your business. Number one is if you are still onboarding, to show you the status of your onboarding and even the details of where you are at the onboarding process. And if you are still setting up, it's also going to show you where you are when it comes to the your processes. Now, it will show you the bills that are overdue or the invoices that are also overdue, pending invoices, overdue invoices, the number of employees that you have. It will show you the number of leads that you have that is requiring your follow-up and give you a general overview of your ledger health in terms of how all your ledgers are performing. Now, if you have set up your POS, it's going to be showing you the amount of POSs, the amount of stock, maybe that are in low or out of stock, so that you never run out of stock. And if you have invoices that are recurring or bills that are recurring, you're going to have the ones that are going to be coming up soon. And Usawa has a unique module that allows you to also monitor deliveries and where they are. So it is a complete platform. Now, let me show you what you're going to be getting in Usawa. First is that you have a POS module. This is the only solution in the world at the moment that has all this into one. You have a POS module that allows you to do quick sale. If you are a retail business and you want to sell to customer, you can have a POS that can allow you to do the sales directly. You have the accounting module that allows you to raise invoices, bills, do all the things you need to do when it comes to accounting. You raise quotes, you do delivery, you monitor payments received, you do expenses, you monitor projects, petty cash, inventory, contacts, bank reconciliation. It's also multi-currency, and you have all the reports you need to manage your business. It also allows you to do ready for the e-invoicing of the Nigerian NIRS at the moment. Then you have the payroll module. The payroll module allows you to add employee, even give employee portals, and it allows you to do payroll, manage leave of staff, salary increment, manage employee loan, do statutory remittances, the rent relief claim and how it's going to work, and the annual report and all the other reports that you need specifically. And then you have the CRM, which allows you to see how you are performing in terms of leads. To know the leads that you have, you can import leads, where are they when it comes to your journey in your business, and then things like tasks and activities and all that are ordered there. Part of what we have built into it is that you can actually do a WhatsApp campaign directly from your solution, which makes it way ahead from all other solutions that you may have. And one of the most unique thing about Usawa Suite is that it has a compliance dashboard. Now, the compliance dashboard reminds you of all the taxes that are due, when they are due, compliance things that statutory contributions that are due, and when they are due, to allow you so that you don't run foul of any one of them. Now, going forward in the years, we are going to be connecting to NRS and various state and revenue service, and will allow you to be able to file your return directly from Usawa. Now, Usawa also has a document management folder where you can actually add documents, create the categories for documents, and keep them safe in your Usawa Suite. It has a marketplace that allows you to see, connect to other Usawa products um, that you may have and other solutions in the market. We are constantly improving on those solutions that you need and can connect into for your business. If you need support, Usawa has an inbuilt support that allows you to raise a new ticket. The ticket will be treated directly, instantly by our support staff, and they will respond to you as soon as the tickets are created. Now, if you go to the top of your dashboard, you will also see some very quick action buttons there. First is that there's an AI assistant that you can actually deploy in your Usawa suite. You have a knowledge base where you can see articles relating to whatever you need. You can also have some keyboard shortcuts, and if there's any notification, this is where you see the notification from Usawa or concerning your product and all that. And then this is the button also to get your support. Now, why is Usawa made for Nigerian businesses? First, let me show you. Now, number one is that, like I said, specifically, this is the first time you are having a POS module built into an accounting module that allows quick movement between the two, and we also allow offline data on it, meaning that you on this particular module you do not need to have internet connection to actually sell. It allows you to sell, and when there's online connectivity, it will sync the data immediately. Two, in terms of accounting, one of the things that were built into Usawa is ability for you to connect your invoices to Nigerian payment gateway like OPay, like MoneyPoint, and all those regular payment gateways that most small businesses and medium scale businesses use. And if you are using Paystack, it's seamless into it. What does that do? If you send an invoice to a client, it's easy for you to add a payment gateway to it so that when they click on it, they can actually make payment to you via those invoices rather than going outside to make invoices. Two is that we've also built into it ability for you to share data, to share your invoices through WhatsApp to business owners. And that's why you have a payment gateway, payment link that it is unique to that invoices. Then we also are building the delivery options into it. When you create an invoice, you can actually create a delivery, and that allows you to monitor which of the items have been delivered and which is outstanding in terms of delivery. Two, we also are building the bills component that allows you, in terms of bills, to do things like also recording paying, because in the final analysis, Usawa Suite is connected to bank. It can be connected to your bank or other payment gateway that allows you to make payments as they happen. Now, one of the interesting thing about Usawa is the fact that it also has an expense management module. The expense management module is built specifically to allow you pay, refund employees or give employees right to incur expenses and allow them to claim refund for it while going through some very interesting approval management module. We built the e-invoicing into Usawa directly that allows you, if you are part of the businesses that are mandated to do the e-invoicing, you can actually use this, configure it, and once you configure it through our Usawa Connect, you can start using it to send your invoices to FNIRS e-invoicing platform directly. Now, the one of the important updates, or let me say the features that were built into Usawa, is the fact that payroll is actually in compliance with the 2025 PAYE regulation, meaning that the band, you don't need to remember the band. Once you run the payroll will specifically compute the payroll taxes based on the 2025 tax law. And one of the things that is on it that is important to note in the 2025 tax law is the fact that there is a rent relief claim that employees are supposed to get. This allows you to manage that, because one of the things you are supposed to have is to have the list of employees, to have the evidence of the rent paid by employees directly. So it allows you to manage all the components and do all the payroll settings inside it. And like I said earlier, one of the most unique thing about it is also it gives you an overview of what is outstanding when it comes to compliance and what needs to be done when it comes to compliance. You can add your own specific deadlines and all that to here, and from there you can see how your business is happening. Now, what did we build Usawa for? We built Usawa Suite for business owners to allow them seamlessly have a good view of their business without running from various dashboard and tools specifically. Now, we've noted the four major tools that businesses need, which is the three major tools, which is the accounting, the payroll, and the CRM. We've also added the POS because we know a lot of small business owners do also do retails with their businesses and all that. Now, we've also built it for accountants. Usawa Suite has a very robust partnership model that allows accountants to be able to use Usawa Suite as a basis of providing accounting services to business owners by providing outsourced accounting services to them. We built it for HR personnel to allow them to manage the complexity of documentation of HR in terms of document relating to employee, setting up employee and collecting data that can be used when it comes to defense, when it comes to tax defense. So if this seems like something that you love to use for your business, you're welcome. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to sign up for Usawa and how to get started with it immediately.